Hello, you're welcome back. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support. Today's recipe, I'll be making akara, which we also call beans cake. The beans I'll be using has been cleaned, so all I have to do is just to blend the beans very smooth. This is one of my favorite breakfast recipe and it's so easy and quick to make. I'm done with the beans. I'll also be adding onions and scotch bonnet. I'll be chopping the onions and scotch bonnet and then I'll blend it not too smooth. But please note that you can also chop the scotch bonnet and the onions very tiny, then you put it straight into the beans. But I prefer to always blend mine. I will also add the Maggie cube to the onions and scotch bonnet. Please note that you can also dissolve the Maggie cube using hot water. The reason why I blend them together, it just helps me not to have too much water in the beans,